Hey guys, nitong weekend may inattendan kami ni Wifey na event sa Alfonso, Cavite. Kaya nag-Airbnb kami dito sa may Tagaytay, Scoteria Cafe. Check nyo guys, ito yung room namin, 2 beds. Pero 2 packs lang naman kami dito. Merong ref, TV, internet, at workstation. Malaki talaga yung space for 2 packs guys. May additional tables and cabinets. Ito naman yung CR natin, merong shower glass. Malaki rin yung banyo niya guys. Of course, toilet and vanity. Actually, pwedeng 4 packs dito sa room na to pero may additional payment. Plus, meron ding balcony. Very peaceful dito guys, ang aliwalas. And nagkataon, halos walang tao guys, ang ganda. And of course, Tagaytay vibes. At sa gabi naman, feel safe naman kasi madaming lights plus may staff house din sa baba. Cafe ito guys na may Airbnb, so sa baba may food and coffee. Included na rin yung breakfast namin, tapa, and corned beef kay Wifey. Kaya lang hindi included itong coffee, bumili na lang kami na extra. Ang sarap ng specialty nila dito, Scoteria Latte, and sa akin naman Spanish Latte. Definitely guys, babalik kami dito, sobrang ganda for us. Ang aesthetic vibes, minimalist, and very peaceful.